In this video, I'll show you how you can create these cursor trail effects in Figma. Let's get right into it. The first thing to do is to create a frame. Give it a width and height of 56. Set the color to black, and then let's rename this frame to pixel. Now let's create a component from this frame. Create components. Now add a new variant. Go back to the first variant and remove this field because we don't need it on the first variant, and add it back to the second variant. Now go back to the first variant and connect this first one to the second one on mouse enter, and then connect second one back to the first one on mouse leave. Now select this second variant, go to the property panel, on mouse enter, set the delay to 0.2. Then we are done with this component. Then go back to this page here. Make sure your pixel is perfect. Set the width to fit content and the height to fit content. Now we have a very perfect pixel. Now let's create a new frame here. Position it here. You can make the width relative 100%, and the height should be viewport. Now let's bring back our frame into our pixel into this frame. We can rename this frame to pixel wrapper. Now let's select our frame and position it here. Make sure it's properly positioned. Now duplicate this frame, this pixel frame. Duplicate it till it gets to the other side of the frame. Now select all the pixels and duplicate it vertically. Now let's go back to the pixel wrapper. We don't need this view. We remove it and add the layout. Then set the wrap option to yes, and make sure there is no gap in between the pixels. Now let's prototype this frame. As you can see, you have a very clean and nice pixel frame. That's how to create the cursor trail effect in Figma. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.